Hello everybody, my name is Christian Latuzik. I am doing a optical illusion experiment. It's based off of an artist from the 1960s named Bridget Riley. She's a contemporary artist. She integrated lines and shapes into her art in order to make three-dimensional surfaces on 2D planes in addition to creating movements. So my idea is to have a willing participant look at the paper and describe what they see. My hypothesis or my idea is that they will be able to see the 3D shapes on a 2D plane, that is being the piece of paper. So yeah, I have a willing participant coming in today. He does not know what he's doing aside from the fact that he's helping me with an experiment. So let's see how that all goes. So I have here my willing participant, Simeon. He knows that he's helping me with this experiment today, but he does not know what the experiment is. He doesn't know what class this is for. He doesn't know really much about it aside from that. Are you excited to check it out?
Yeah, I want to see the picture.
All right. So without further ado, I'm going to hand this over to him and see what he thinks.
I mean, looking at these, if you look at the shapes, it almost looks like they're coming out.
What do you mean by that?
You don't know, the way the shapes are, if you focus on it, you can, see it, almost like it's, 3D almost, I don't know how to explain it. If you focus on just, the one shape, especially the circle in the middle, just because the lines are in a different way than the background, I think. Yeah.
So they're sticking out of the paper?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever seen, what do you think this is? Do you think it's just, what would you call it, an optical illusion? Somewhat? It looks 3D, but it's not?
Yeah, but it's not even 3D, yeah.
Have you ever seen any other optical illusions before?
Not really.
Not really?
No.
All right. Any other thoughts or feelings before we cut the video?
It smells like Sharpie.
Okay. Thanks for your help, Simeon.
No problem.
All right. So the results I was able to find was that Simeon was able to see three-dimensional figures on a two-dimensional plane. By focusing on the shapes and the background back and forth, he was able to see the objects sticking out of the paper. So that's my results. Just some general thoughts, maybe stuff I could have done differently. I definitely could have used a larger test size. Obviously only one person is not a very accurate response of how effective this really is. So if I maybe had a test subject size of 10, I could actually get percentages. If 8 of 10 people were able to see the object sticking out, then maybe that's 80% of the people saw that sort of thing. Maybe a better controlled environment. We are in the library. Maybe if I was to be in a lab or something of that nature where there's less distractions, that could have been helpful. And then even more ambiguity, maybe even a double-blind study where I do all of the heavy work and then I use a lab assistant or something like that to distribute out the paper with the shapes and things of that nature so that both the testee and the tester do not know what exactly is happening to eliminate any bias. So those are just my general thoughts, and